Hello. Do you hear that? Is there noise somewhere in the background? You're trying to meditate, you're trying to rest, and there's noise. And you can't concentrate. That's my meditation face. Not really, but that is a concentrated face on meditation. The relaxed meditator takes everything in, all sounds. So you're not forcing quiet to happen. You don't need complete silence to meditate. I was going to say meditate well, but you can't subjectify meditation. You're either in it, doing it, or you're not. And if you're thinking about, oh, why can't this background noise stop? While you're meditating, you're up in your head. You're not in complete beingness with what is. And what is happening is there is noise. So listen to the noise consciously. It's actually a gift when there is noise. It's a way to sharpen your awareness. You can use it for a crutch for meditation at times too. But notice, are you judging the sound for being there? Or are you just aware that there is sound? Aware is being. These are all the concepts for how to show up consciously. Just the other day, maybe yesterday, there was someone laughing at a game show in the house, putting on a blender. There were weed whackers going on all day and leaf blowers outside. Did I say a blender? It was a blender. All while I was focusing on work. So, yes, I noticed. And then I let go because I noticed. So, use the cues of noticing the sounds and letting them go to go deeper into awareness. So, do you hear it now? agitate you? Does it agitate you as much as it did before I said these words? Is it a little bit less? Has the dimmer on the sharpness, annoyance, just crank down a little bit? That's what you want to go for. It's a practice. So practice being the noise of the world, and you have meditation. I don't think there's anything else to add to that. Any questions, put them down in the comments. If you'd like guidance in person, I'll put my Calendly in the description, and we could make an appointment to see if we can work together. And of course, please like and subscribe. This is what I want to talk to the world about, so we can slow down a little bit. All right. Thank you.